The 2023 Zhongguancun Forum is being held in Beijing's innovation hub Zhongguancun, known as China's Silicon Valley. Experts attending the forum say that China's increasing investment in innovation has made the country an important engine for the world's scientific and technological advancement.
China now has embarked on a trajectory that is moving very quickly in terms of its effort to become a more innovation-driven nation. As you recall, China was the factory to the world, but today it wants to become a knowledge economy, and we can see simply by the increasing amount of money being spent on research, which means that China is very seriously committed into moving in the direction of a knowledge economy. China is producing a large number of the results that are helping to drive the frontier of research in these critical fields. So I think that China is a catalyst in many ways to help move and advance science and technology development.
So the field that I work in, which is diagnostic development for diseases like COVID and Ebola and things like that, China's a major manufacturer, and we're interested in trying to make sure that we work to help and work with China to connect to other areas of the world that could benefit from China's technology. It's great to see so many people internationally coming and then, of course, listening to the Chinese scientists. And so that's a great goal to drive towards, and I think the forum is helping to do that. And that's exactly the reason that I'm here, in addition to being privileged to speak at the conference, but also to explore those sorts of collaborations, and so that we can try to work with Chinese partners for the benefit of China, but the benefit, of course, for all the people in the rest of the world who could benefit from China's expertise.
Zhongguancun was established in 1988 in northwestern Beijing, housing clusters of universities and research institutes. It is China's first national high-tech industrial development zone. The Zhongguancun Forum was founded in 2007 and has grown into a national-level open innovation platform and an international forum.